Hey guys, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm so late to this tag. This tag has been floating around probably for a couple of months now, but I decided to just do it now. I'm gonna be doing the makeup lovers tag, and I figured why not put on makeup while I do this tag and answer the questions. These questions are all based on makeup, my love for makeup, how I got started with YouTube. If you wanna get to know a little bit more about me, keep on watching. If you do like the video, please don't forget, give it a like and subscribe if you haven't done so yet. Just do it, just go. I'm not gonna be reviewing any products in this video. It's gonna be simply putting on my makeup and answering these questions so you get to know me. Let's get started. I am gonna be linking down all the products that I'm using on my face below if you're interested in that. Question number 1, how do you prepare for your videos and how many times a week or month do you film? For the most part, I try to do my hair, I try to shower, I set up my station so the lighting is at its best. I also do a test, like a mic test run, so I make sure to do that before, because there has been times that I filmed and then the entire video I'm muted and it's the worst feeling ever. It's the worst. So I think about an idea probably the night before or the day of, and I go ahead and do it. I try to film on Sundays. I try to do everything on Sundays. I'm at home all day long, so that's my chance to go and start just YouTubing all day. I will do pre-filming, so I'll film maybe 2 or 3 videos that same day. And then those videos that I have already filmed throughout the course of the week, I take some time to edit each video. And then I usually post up videos on the weekends or close to the weekends at nighttime. I don't have a set schedule yet because I do work full time as opposed to YouTubing. YouTubing is just my hobby. And then yeah, I just get into filming. I don't do a script. I don't do any of that kind of stuff. I just kind of talk and blabber here and you guys are listening to me. Next question. Question number 2, how long does it take you to record and edit? It usually takes me anywhere between 45 minutes to an hour and a half to film the video. To edit these videos, if it's a talk through video, it will take me anywhere between 6 to 8 hours. Those require more editing because you have to be snipping all the ums and the literallys out of every video. If it's a voiceover, it does take me about 4 hours max. Question number 3. What is your favorite drugstore and high-end brand? For favorite drugstore, I'm gonna have to say that it's Wet n Wild. All of their products that I've tried out are so great and they're so inexpensive. Don't get me wrong, I love the entire drugstore, but I feel like, you know, there's some brands that are like hit and misses, but I feel with Wet n Wild, you have less misses and you have more hits. For high-end brand, my favorite one is Anastasia Beverly Hills. They have such great products, like their brow wiz, their brow pomades. Oh my god, they're so good. They also have amazing shadows, the quality, the pigmentation. They almost never have a miss, except for that one time with that one shadow. Which one was that one? The something Vault, I forgot. There was one though that they were like, they didn't do well. Soft Glam palette, the Modern Renaissance, all those cute palettes, they are so adorable and the pigmentation is amazing. What is your most expensive beauty products? I don't have a lot of expensive stuff. I'm not bougie. I don't have any of that La Mer. I don't got none of that stuff. So this is the most expensive product that I have. It's so beautiful. It is the ABH Norvina Collection palette. So stunning. I've only used this a few times. The pigments are so beautiful in this palette. It comes with a ginormous mirror. Oh, you see my laptop? It's right there. You can at least see my setup. How funny. Oh yeah, this is a book called Un-F Yourself. Such a good book. Y'all have to read. I use this just for like my stand. This is definitely the most expensive product I have. It's about $65. I probably won't go higher than that for an eyeshadow palette. Question number 5, what motivates you to create content? Just seeing my YouTube channel grow, and I know it hasn't grown exponentially in any way, but just seeing a pattern of growth and seeing how more engaging people are in the beauty community, how engaging they are with you. Every single time I edit, it's just I always find something new to do. I always find a new technique. Just the fact and the idea that I'm creating content into something I'm creating. I sit there for hours and edit all day and time will fly. Question number 6, what is your favorite app to edit your pictures? My pictures are actually just a one edit filter that I use on my iPhone. It's gonna be this one. And that's the only thing I use. I don't know anything else to say about that. Question number 7. What is the goal for this year regarding your YouTube channel? So I have a new goal and it's 1,000 subscribers. I'm super excited and hopeful that this will happen. That is just my subscriber goal, but that's not my main goal. It's not just about subscribers. I really want to be able to receive products, review them, eventually one day collaborate with a brand. That would be like my ultimate dream. Maybe get sponsored. I don't know. Next question. What influencers do you watch and follow for inspiration? Tati is definitely was my #1 influencer, and she is up to this day. I know that she's taking a break right now on YouTube. Right now though, I am starting to watch more of the smaller YouTubers. For example, Juicy Jaws is one of them. I love Kelly Strack. She's fantastic. Her attitude, just everything. Ali Glines, oh my gosh, she's wonderful to watch. She's really good. My makeup looks like Jesus Lord punched me. What's up with this green? This is looking not cute. Forget it. I'm just gonna do the whole eyeball. My next question, besides makeup, what else are you passionate about? Music and guitar. I definitely want to get better at guitar. You'd think you're gonna say, oh, poverty, humanitarianism, maybe animals, maybe dogs. I love dogs, but no, guitar is my second passion. Question number 10. What is one makeup trend you disliked? I don't love the idea of overlining the lips so much though. Overline your lips to a normal capacity, but so much overlining the lips and then doing the duck face, I'm just not into that. Is that even considered a trend? I'm not too sure. No offense to anyone that does them. Do you? I'm about to be done with this ridiculous eye look. Question number 11. If you had the opportunity to collaborate with one brand, which would it be and what would you create? Y'all know I love the drugstore. So if there's any brand, I feel like I would love to collaborate with e.l.f. Everyone loves e.l.f. They're so inexpensive. Literally a foundation is $5. I just feel like who doesn't love that? Cruelty-free, amazing products. I'm not saying all of them are amazing, but for the most part, you get your bang for your buck with e.l.f. And I would love to create an eyeshadow palette with them. That would be just all right, I'm all wind up again. Question number 11, who or what inspired you to start a YouTube channel? I have been watching YouTube since, maybe 10 years ago. I've been wanting to create a channel since then. I know, it's crazy. That was 10 years ago. So what finally got me to get on YouTube? It was my husband. Yes, my hubby. So basically, my hubby was super sick and tired of hearing me mumbling and grumbling. Oh my God, YouTube, buying makeup all the time. And he's just like, hey, you know what? Why don't you freaking start your own channel already? And I'm like, no, because no one's gonna watch it. No, it's so embarrassing. So my husband decided to buy all this equipment. It was random Amazon equipment, all over the place. And he literally tried twice. The first time in the other house that we were living in, he set me up. He set everything up. The wall was blue. And I was like, no, I'm not doing YouTube. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna sit there and do it. People are gonna laugh at me. People are gonna think it's cringy. I already think it's cringy enough already. I didn't wanna do the video, so I didn't do it. Probably a year later, again, he's just like, hey, are you gonna do YouTube? Are you gonna do the YouTube? You should do it. He's like, you love it so much and you're always talking about how much you love YouTube, how you want to do YouTube, but you never do it. And I'm just like, no, I'm not going to do it. I'd rather watch people. So then one day randomly, he set me up again. So he set it up in the living room. He set up the phone. He put some books underneath it. He's like, come on, sit down, do your YouTube video. And I'm like, what am I going to talk about? He was like, I don't know, just do it. Do it. And I'm going to go away. I'm going to go to the room. And I'm like, no, can you at least give me wine? And he's like, no wine, just do it. I decided to sit down and film my first video, and I think that video was about my everyday work makeup because I'm super obsessed with everyday makeup tutorials. It was pretty tragic, but I'm very excited and happy I finally did it because I never would have thought I would have been feeling comfortable talking to a camera. I'm talking to you guys you're right here in my little camera. I thank him for it. So besides my husband physically pushing me into YouTube, I would see people doing YouTube and people that I knew, and I'm just like, you know what, if they could do it, I could do it. And you know, if people don't like me, they don't like me. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter. This is my hobby. This is something I like to do. If you want to watch it, if you don't want to watch it, you can go ahead. I don't expect people to like my stuff. I do it as a mental therapy. This is what gets me kind of going. I realize the day-to-day life, you're just constantly going through stuff all the time, every single time of the day. I found that YouTube is the only way to keep my mind at ease, focused on creating something, focused on content. That was my spiel. Yeah, it's next. That was a moment. Ugh. Question number 12. What beauty products do you use on a daily basis? I use concealer. Foundation that I use that I love is the L'Oreal Infallible Foundation. That's my every single day favorite foundation. Lately, I've been loving this primer serum base from Wet n Wild. It's really nice. It mattifies your skin. It really hydrates it at the same time. So I've been using this every single day. For concealer, I've been using this every single day. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Concealer. It's freaking amazeballs. This is my everyday moisturizer. This is a SkinMD Natural Shielding Lotion. Before I even head out the door, I have to use this. It blocks all the environmental damage that happens in the entire world that we live in. I've also been using this for my everyday lip stain or lipstick. This is the Neutrogena Moisture Smooth Color Stick in the color Wine Berry. It's such a beautiful rosy color. Sometimes I just put this alone. I don't put any foundation on. I just do my eyebrows and I do this and I'm out the door. All right, almost there. We're almost at the finale. If you could use only 3 beauty products for the rest of your life, what would they be? Definitely eyebrows, eyebrow pencil for sure. I don't have eyebrows clearly. They're all like squirmy and weird. Definitely some sort of lip tint or lipstick because I don't have color to my lips as you can see. Mascara, mascara. Those are the 3 products. So it has to be lipstick, eyebrows, and mascara. And with that, I can live for the rest of my life eternally, gratefully, happily. The last question is to tag 3 of your fellow makeup gurus. And I'm gonna go ahead and tag these 3 beauties. We're gonna go ahead and tag Norna Thayer. I don't know if I mispronounced your name, I'm sorry. Second person is gonna be Simone's Life. And the third person is gonna be Danielle Loves Makeup. You guys have to go and check out their videos. I hope you guys enjoyed my answers. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.